Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to retarget any of your quadruped animals FBX 3D models that imported into your Unreal Engine 5.1 game project, perform the retargeting process, and also retarget it with root motions. Make these quadruped animals, the four-leg animals, to become the player in your Unreal Engine 5.1 game project, or make this quadruped animal to become the NPC in this game project. So start from now, I'm going to show you step by step. First, you can just scroll down, go to my video descriptions. Something that compulsory to get it is the Freedom Animation Pipeline version 8.4 for Unreal Engine 5.1. I already created the Retargeter for you. You can get it from my video descriptions. It is a zip folder. Once you download it, you have to extract it into your computer, the Freedom Animation Pipeline version 8.4. Then inside there is a quadruped retargeter, and I'm going to show you step by step how to use this. And here I have a sample FBX file. This is a Tiger FBX, and later I'm going to import it into my Unreal Engine 5.1 game project, and as the demo I will show you the step by step how to retarget this by using the Freedom Animation Pipeline. So now I'm going to open my Unreal Editor. This is the Unreal Editor 5.1. It is launching, it not yet appear here. Now, as demo, I'm going to create a fresh new game project here. I will choose the third person character, the third person game project, and then the project name is my project 10. I'm going to click create. Then the Unreal Editor is creating a fresh new game project. The project name is my project 10. Just wait for a while until it finishes loaded. Now you can see this is the third person game project. If I try to play, then the main avatar is the Unreal Engine 5 Mana Queen. And later I'm going to show you how to import the FBX quadruped animals and then import into the Unreal Engine 5.1 this game project. In this new game project, the first step what you're going to do is go and install the Freedom Animation Pipeline version 8.4. So if you already download it, if you already get it into your computer, then it will be here. I already extract it into the folder. The first step, just right click the document folder, open in a new folder, open in a new window, then go into the Unreal project, then the project directory. The project name is my project 10, so the project directory is my project 10 here. Open the content folder, then the Freedom Animation Pipeline version 8. Enter the content folder, copy the Freedom Animation Pipeline into here. Just right click to copy, then right click to paste into the content folder of your project directory. Now you can see once you've done this step, close all the folder, back to your project, back to your Unreal Engine 5.1 game project. The Freedom Animation Pipeline already are there. That means you already successfully installed the Freedom Animation Pipeline. The next step, you can import your FBX file. Now I have a Tiger 01 FBX file. This is a quadruped 3D avatar. So first I will just open a new folder at here, Tiger 01. Then I drag in the FBX file. Now to import this FBX file, same as every time, expand the advanced, then import the morph target as well. Click import all. It is going to import as an animation it is going to import as a 3D model. Now it is preparing the shader, just wait for a while. Then everything done, you already successfully imported, and this is the skeletons. But now you can see the texture have some problem. Then we are going to fix it first. The texture, the materials problem. It is pretty easy. I'm going to show you just a few steps here. Now to fix the material, just double click the tigers. What is this? This is the skeleton mesh. Just double click in. Then the material is at here. It is only one. I just double click it. Now I have this 1, 2, 3. First, what you are going to do is click the empty area. The blend mode, always change it to mask. Then you can see this is the opacity map. The opacity map, black and white opacity map, you have to drag, hold the control, plug it out, then connect it to opacity mask. Then this is the normal. I don't need the normal. I can just take it down. Once done already, the two-sided have to tick it to make sure you select the two-sided. Then click save. At this moment, back to the Tiger 01 here. You can see all of the material already get fixed. Then save it, close. The next step is to create a animations, IK rig, the IK rig. We are going to create the IK rig for this tiger. So first, just choose the Tiger 01. This is your skeleton mesh name. Then name it properly. Tiger 01 underscore IK rig. Then double click to open. For this time, you have to click the character to show the bones or the hierarchy. Show the bones or the hierarchy, and then the bone draw size, put it as 1. Now everything can see very clear. So first, what you are going to do is find the root bone. The root bone should be the first bone. You can see this stick. This is the root bone. Click the root bones, then right click to set as a retarget root. Once you already set the root bone as the retarget root, you also have to right click and then create a new retarget chain from the selected bone. The chain name, you have to name this as root. Then click OK. Choose no go. Like this, done. Next, what you are going to choose is the hip bone. You can see the first bones is the root bone. Then the second one, it is not a hip bone. It is another reverse bone. We don't choose this. Then look at this. Not this. Then go to the next is the pelvis. Yes, we need this. That means the second bone that connected to the root bones should be the pelvis. Just right click the pelvis and then create a new retarget chain. The chain name, just name this as hip/pelvis. Then click OK. No go. Now you already have 2 chains. The next will be the spine 1, 2, and 3. Alright, you can select it from here as well. Click the first one, hold the shift, click the last one. This is the spine. Right click, new retarget chain. Chain name should be spine. No go. Then, if you are creating the retarget chain for the spine, do not include the neck. Next one is the neck and the head. From the last bone of the neck, hold the shift, click the head, or you can hold the control as well. Select the neck and the head. Right click, new retarget chain. The chain name will be head, or you can put it as neck as well. Next, very important, just go and find which one is the jaw. Is this one? Yes or no? You can check it. Check from the skeletons. Just now this is the IK rig. You can check the skeletons. Which one is the jaw bones? Is this one? You try to rotate. No, not this. Then how about this? Click and then try to rotate. Yes, this is the jawbone. So always remember this. This is the jawbone. Close it. Next, click the jawbone. Should be bone 01. Then right click new retarget chain. Name this chain name as jaw. Okay, no go. So next is the tail. The tail will start from here. Tail 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4 you can click from here as well. Hold the control to select all the tail. Right click new retarget chain. The chain name will be tail. Okay, no go. So now, not yet complete. Now you have the spine, you have the head. Then you have the hip and pelvis, you have the roots, you have the jaw, you have the tail. Now we want to have the forelegs. 1, hold the control. 2, 3, 4. Then right click, new retarget chain. This is the left arm. Click OK, no go. Then will be right arm. Click, hold the control to select all. Right click, new retarget chain. Right arm, click OK, no go. Then the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. New retarget chain. This is the left leg. Then right leg. Now all completed already. You can see checklist, the root, pelvis, spine, head, jaw, tail, left arm, left leg, right leg. If no problem already, then just click save and close. The IK rig already completed. Next, you have to go to the skeletons. First, just show the retargeting options. Next, find the root bone. This is the root bone. Change the translation retarget options. Translation retarget, you have to change it to become animation scale. Next is the hip bone. The hip bone, change it to become animation scale as well. Then save and close. Now we done the IK retargeter. Sorry, we already done the IK rig parts. And so always remember, in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to retarget the quadruped animals that you imported as FBX file, retarget it with root motion, and make this quadruped animal, the four-leg animal, to become the player or NPC in your Unreal Engine 5.1 game project. So now we are going to retarget it. Create like this, right-click the animations, create an IK retargeter. The next step is to retarget it. Then, for this time, we choose the quadruped IK rig. Remove the new, then name this as quadruped underscore to Tiger 01 underscore. So this is the name, the quadruped to Tiger 01 IK retargeter. Then open it. Then, when this message pop out, select no. Then, the first step, what you are going to do is click the character, click the bones, show all hierarchy, the bone size, put it as 1, like this. Then, next step, go to the target IK rig assets, choose your Tiger 01, choose no, like this. Then, the target mesh offset, change it to become 150. Then, you should be able to see both of it, like this. Now, root, hip, spine, you can see now you have to check the target chain and the source chain. Both must be tally. If no problem already, click the first one, the root. Change the translation mode to become absolute. Next, click the hip and pelvis and change it to become absolute as well, like this. Then, go to the asset browser. We just test run the walk 01. Have problem, then back to the chain mapping. Click the hip and pelvis. The translation mode, change it to become none. Next, back to the asset browser. Try to test the run. Then everything, no problem. Walk, no problem. Walk fast, also no problem. If these three no problem, then everything will go well. You also scroll up, then check the fourth one, the quadruped tower. You can see the jawbone, everything already get retargeted properly. Right. Once no problem, then just click save and close. Next step, back to the content folder. Go into the Freedom animation pipeline, the Quadruped Retargeter, the animation blueprint. You should be able to see a third-person animation blueprint, quadruped. Right-click it, retarget, duplicate, and retarget the animation blueprint. The iClone retargeter, you have to choose Quadruped to Tiger 01 iClone retargeter. Then click retarget. Now, the first step what you are going to do is it automatically jump back to the content folder. This one, the third person animation blueprint quadruped. You have to rename this. Click and press F2. Remove the quadruped words. Then the underscore already there. You name this as Tiger 01. Name this according to the name of your skeleton mesh. Like this. Done. Then click the first one. Hold the shift. Click the last one. We all move into the Tiger 01 folder. Move it here. Now you can see we already successfully retargeted. And then we are going to make this tiger as the player or NPC in this Unreal Engine 5.1 game project. It is pretty simple. If you play, now you can see the main avatar, the player is the UE5 mannequin. We want to change it to become the tiger. So from the content folder, you go into the third person blueprint. Then you should be able to see the BP third person character. Right click on that and duplicate. Then rename it, remove the number 1, put an underscore, name this as Tiger 01. Make it easy. Double click, open it, click the mesh, click the viewport. Then the skeleton mesh assets, you choose the Tiger 01 like this. Alright, now you can put it at the center like this. Then the animation class, you have to change it to third person animation blueprint Tiger 01. Done. Then click compile, click save, then close. Then go to the BP third person game mode, double click, and then the default avatar, the main player of this game project, it will be default point class. Change it to become BP third person character Tiger 01. Click compile, click save, and close. Now try to play. You can see this tiger already become the main avatar, and now I can play as the tiger. This tiger really become the player. And at the idle state, you can see it have some animation at there. Everything look cool. Right, so now that's all for today about my tutorial on how to import any of the FBX quadruped animals, the four-leg animals, into the Unreal Engine 5.1 by using the Freedom Animation Pipeline version 8.4. Retarget this animal, these quadrupeds, with the root motions, and also finally make these quadruped four-leg animals to become the main avatar player or any of the NPC in your Unreal Engine 5.1 game project. Right, to make him become an NPC, you just need to back to here, content, third person, blueprints. Just now you already have this, just right click and duplicate it. Tiger01, add an underscore NPC. Then this is the NPC, just program it in event graph to set this NPC, program this NPC to have the interaction with the player or perform any of the animation here, set by using the blueprint. Then compile, save and close. This is the NPC, you can just drag him out. 1, 2, now you have 2 NPC like this. If you play, now you can see in this game project, it already have 2 NPC of the tigers here. At the same time, you can play this tiger as the main avatar. At the same time, this tiger also one of the NPC in this game project. Right, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation, 3D modeling and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation and game developing. See you.